Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Practice sprint timing and edge control to avoid being pushed off. Focus first on staying centered on the platform. Treat the edge as your most important enemy. Use short strafes and crouch to bait knockback and reposition, then punish the opening with 1 or 2 hits. Set sensitivity to 400 DPI and in-game 0. 5 for precise turns, but adjust until turning 90 degrees is smooth. Spend 10 minutes per session on movement drills until edge control becomes automatic. Trade hits by stepping back 1 block then attacking in a single sprint hit. This keeps you out of long knockback exchanges. Combine rod pulls, pearl jabs, or knockback combos to break an opponent's momentum and learn timing for rod cooldowns so you don't overcommit. Aim for 1 to 3 hit windows and then retreat to avoid counter knockback and edge traps. Practice these sequences slowly, then at full speed until you can chain a pull, a sprint hit, and a retreat without losing balance or map control. Use 1, 9+ combat rules, sword priority, knockback and chance, and correct hotbar order so rod, pearl, sword read left to right. Warm up with 5 to 10 minutes of Parker and aim drills before ranked matches to prime muscle memory and reduce mistakes. Stay calm, reset every round and analyze 1 mistake to improve by 10% per week, focusing on a single habit like edge control or rod timing. Record matches. Review 3 clips per session and practice the corrected behavior until it becomes natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.